We're gonna go find us a woodpecker, huh? Making all this noise. Gotta be real quiet.
Yeah, she's had a couple hours to do it.
Where's the woodpecker? Oh, there's humming. No, that's the crab. Hold on. There he is. Mother. So that's what's been going on for years now. This little woodpecker going inside of my house. I'm going to take off in a second. Get him out a little bit here. That's how he hangs on there. There he goes, up into the trees on the left. Well, okay, that's it. All this stuff comes up. Now I'll see what he's been doing up there. Putting those holes in there. Gee. Oh well. This old house has got this side on it. That's that. Gotta go.